So sometimes when you book a support session for support to do some maintenance on your PlayoutONE system, they're going to ask you to prepare for maintenance. And this is how we do it. My name is Dave Briley-Jones, and in this video, we'll show you how you can prepare your system so when our support team come in to provide you with some maintenance, you don't drop off the air. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to mix down to a file an hour's worth of content. And the hour we're going to pick is essentially the hour that the maintenance will be happening in. So if you've booked, as we have in this demo, a maintenance slot for 8 p.m., we're going to mix down the 8 p.m. hour. And here's how we do it. We click on the 8 p.m. hour, we right click on the log, and we choose Mixdown. We're going to go and title our Mixdown and save it on the desktop. We'll call it Maintenance 8 p.m. Mixdown. And we're going to choose it as a WAV file as that's quickest. And then we're going to click Start Mixdown and wait for that to happen. Now, once that's finished, click the box, OK it. And then what we're going to do is we're going to prepare the log for maintenance. So we're going to, first of all, insert a automation off command. And then right afterwards, we're going to insert what we call a OnePlayer start command. This will become clear in just a second. And then what we do is we change the chain on the OnePlayer start command to be a stop. You can see that there is the stop sign. So the system is going to stop after it actions that command. Next, I'd like you to go and find the PlayoutONE folder. And the way you do this is you go to your computer, you go to the C drive, PlayoutONE, or you can just type in the run box as I'm doing here, C:\PlayoutONE. There you will see in the PlayoutONE folder a little script called copy OnePlayer to C drive. I want you to double click on that for me, and then that's going to run this black box. And then if you click on your C drive, you'll now see there's a OnePlayer folder. Go into there and scroll a little bit to the bottom, and you'll find something called PlayoutONE OnePlayer. Open that up, and then you will see, once you click on OK, you will see our OnePlayer. This is our auxiliary player for playing out maintenance files. Now, first thing you need to do is you need to go into the settings here. You need to make sure that you've set the correct output device. Now, the way you choose that output device is come into your PlayoutONE settings, go to your hardware panel, and whatever is set to PlayoutONE, set that in OnePlayer as well. So this is going to be my speakers. I hit save. Then I want you to hit choose file, and I want you to go to the desktop, and I want you to choose that maintenance 8 p.m. mixdown file that we mixed down earlier. Now we're ready for maintenance. So what's going to happen is at the top of the 8 o'clock hour, the system is going to turn itself out of automation. It's then going to start the OnePlayer automatically, and then it's going to stop. At that point, we can close PlayoutONE, ready for our support team to come in and do the maintenance. So let's go and see how this works. I'm going to simulate this here for you so you can see how it works. So whistle's on the air, it finishes, and then it starts. As you can see, the OnePlayer and PlayoutONE stops. We can then close PlayoutONE down. And now we can start to close down all our other applications as well and wait for our support team to come in and perform the maintenance. Once the support team has finished and they've done the maintenance, they will start your PlayoutONE up for you, sync it to a position, and then let you know so that you can then start it whenever you feel like. So to get out of the OnePlayer, it's very simple. You can just wait for it to finish at the end of the hour and hit play on PlayoutONE, or hit play on PlayoutONE and hit the eject button on the OnePlayer to stop it.